Welcome friends. Today's first question is, who gave the title of Mahatma to Gandhiji? Answer C. Rabindranath Tagore. Next question, who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Answer D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next question, the capital of British India was? Answer C. Calcutta. Next question, what was the old name of Patna? The answer option is C. Pataliputra. Next question, who founded the Arja Samaj in 1875? Answer C. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Next question, where did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place in 1919? Answer A. Amritsar in Punjab. Next question, who is known by the title of Prince of Martyrs? Answer B. Bhagat Singh. Next question, who built the Grand Trunk Road? Answer option is C. Sher Shah Suri. The next question, the Rowlatt Act was passed in the year of? Answer B. 1919. The next question is, who founded the Home Rule League? Answer D. Annie Besant in 1916. Next question, on the birthday of which person National Desh Prem Diwas is celebrated? Answer C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question, who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Answer B. Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Next question, who founded the Ramkrishna Mission? Answer A. Swami Vivekananda. Next question, who gave the slogan Inquilab Zindabad? Answer C. Maulana Hasrat Mohani. Next question, in which year the Indian National Congress was formed? Answer A. 1885. Next question, who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question, who was the second Prime Minister of India? Answer D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Next question, in which year Quit India movement was started? Answer B. 1942. And the last question is, in which year Sepoy Mutiny was started? Answer B. 1857. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel please.